Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the round brackets. In this expression, we have a small brackets 10 minus 6 and according to this, we'll get 4. According to this step, always clear the smallest inner bracket first, and now the current expression becomes square bracket 96 divided by curly braces 4 plus 4 curly braces of square bracket of plus 2 power cube minus root 36. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the curly brackets, and according to curly brackets, we must calculate addition. Now 4 plus 4 will get 8. According to this step, work outward to simplify the next grouping layer, and now the current expression becomes 96 divided by 8 square bracket. So now this is the current expression becomes. Move to the next step, which is the square brackets. According to the square brackets, there is a division. Now calculate the division part. 96 divided by 8. According to this, we'll get 12. According to this step, complete the final remaining bracketed expression, and now the current expression becomes 12 plus 2 power cube minus root 36. Now move to the next step, which is the evaluate exponents and roots. Now order powers and square root 2 cube and root 36. We must calculate first 2 power cube, that is 8, and square root 36 power. According to this step, exponent must be simplified before basic arithmetic, and now the current expression becomes 12 plus 8 minus 6. So now according to the next step, perform addition. First we add the values. Now 12 plus 8 equals to 20. According to this step, work from left to right from remaining steps, and now the current expression becomes 20 minus 6. Move to the last step, complete the final remaining operation, which is subtraction. Now subtract the values. 20 minus 6 will get 14. 14 is the final result. So now according to this expression, the conclusion is by systematically following the BODMAS, and we broke down our complex multi-layered mathematical statement into a single number. Skipping these structural rules lead to an incorrect value because arithmetic operations hold a strict hierarchies and over the one another. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.